Hello friends, welcome to Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see production technology of fruit crops. Let's get into the questions and answer. First one, match the following. Mango belongs to the family Anacardiaceae. Cashew also belongs to the same family. Citrus belongs to the family Rutaceae. Curry leaf also belongs to the family Rutaceae. Grapes, Vitaceae. Pyrrhandii. Scissors quadrangles also belongs to the same family, Vitaceae. Pomegranate, Punicaceae. So the correct option is A, 4, 2, 1, 3. What is the scientific name of jack? Carica papaya, Mangifera indica, Prunus americana, Atrocarpus heterophyllus. So the correct answer is Atrocarpus heterophyllus. Carica papaya is the scientific name of papaya, Mangifera indica, mango, Prunus americana, apricot, which belongs to the family Rosaceae. Which one of the following is a variety of sapota? PKM1. BSR1 belongs to which fruit crop? Anla. So BSR1 and 2 is also the variety of turmeric. Match the following. Ber, native of Southeast Asia. Mango, Indo-Burma. Pineapple, Brazil. Banana, Peru. So the correct answer is option C, 2143. Origin of grapes is Capsicum Sea in Russia. In which season banana is planted in garden lands? Whether it is from January, February and June, July, January, February and November, December, July, August and September to October, July to August and May to June. So the correct answer is January to February and from November to December. Which variety of banana is suitable for culinary purpose? So Mondan is suitable for culinary purposes, whereas Poovan is susceptible to Kottavalai disease. What is the spacing for hill banana? 4 into 4 meter, 4.5 into 4.5 meter, 3.6 into 3.6 meter, 2.8 into 2.8 meter. So spacing for hill banana is 3.6 into 3.6 meter. Which mango is suitable for export? Alfonso. What is the spacing for mango in high density planting? 4 into 4, 6 into 6, 3 into 3 meter or 5 into 5 meter. So the correct answer is option D, 5 into 5 meter. What is the recent commercial propagation method in mango? It's a whip method, softwood grafting, stone grafting or budding. So the recent commercial propagation method followed in mango is softwood grafting. 13th one. Consider the statement and choose the correct answer. Whether off-season mango is Malgova variety, NAA 20 ppm is recommended for mango fruit reduction, NAA 25 ppm is recommended for mango fruit reduction. Which one is the correct? So option 2, NAA 20 ppm is recommended for mango fruit retention. In which month pruning is done in mango snail orchard? June, July, August, September. August. Which pest normally attacks stone of the mango fruit? Stone wasp, stem borer, leaf borer, stone borer. Option D is the correct answer. What type of sucker is used as a planting material in banana? Sword sucker, stone sucker, water sucker. So the correct answer is option C, Schwarzschild. How much quantity of lignine is mixed with the soil while filling the pits for banana? 1.5, 1, 2.5, 2. The correct answer is 1.5 percentage. 18th one. How many plants to be planted in high density planting in banana at a spacing 1.8 into 3.6 meter? It can accommodate nearly 4,600 plants. Option D is the correct answer. What is the fertilizer dosage for banana grown in garden land? 110 is 330 grams NPK per plant per year. Bunch of a banana is caused by aphids, Pentalonia nigronervosa. Banana black mosaic virus is also transmitted by aphids. What is the yield of Poovan banana? 40 to 50 tons per hectare. Next, match. Sweet orange. Scientific name? Citrus sinensis. Lemon? Citrus limon. Mandarin? Citrus reticulata. Acid lime? Citrus arendifolia. So the correct answer is option A, 4321. Which one of the following is a variety of acid lime? Vikram, Mridula, Ranga, Reshmi. So Vikram is a variety of acid lime, whereas Mridula is a variety of pomegranate. Ranga and Reshmi are the varieties of turmeric. What is the propagation method in sweet orange? Whip tongue method, flute budding, patch budding or softwood grafting? In sweet orange, patch budding is followed. Which growth regulator is used for banana fruit ripening? Gibberellic acid, ethyl 2,4-D or zeatin? So ethyl is used as a growth regulator in banana for fruit ripening. Give an example for seedless grape. So Sonaka seedless is the seedless grape variety. Whereas the red globe one is a table variety. Anabi Shahi is a popular cultivar throughout India. What is the common method of training followed in muscat grapes? Telephone system, arbor system, single trunk system or Niffin system? Arbor system is followed in muscat grapes. What insecticide is sprayed to control mealybug in grapes? Methyl dimetone at 2 ml per liter is used to control mealybug in grapes. What is the origin of papaya? Asia, Japan, Malaysia, tropical America. So origin of papaya is tropical America. What is the seed rate for papaya? 500 grams per hectare, 200 grams per hectare, 400 grams per hectare or 700 grams per hectare? 500 grams per hectare is the seed rate for papaya. Which papaya variety is suitable for papain extraction? Co7, Co1, Co4, Co2. Co2 and as well as Co5 is also suitable for papain extraction. Co7 is gynodioecious variety. Which rootstock is used for sapota propagation? Manilkhara hexandra. Another name is pala rootstock. Which intercrop is cultivated in sapota plantation? Red gram, gingerly, lab, groundnut. So lab is cultivated as an intercrop in sapota plantation. Which one of the following is recommended for controlling fruit drop in sapota? NAA 20 ppm, NAA 10 ppm or 30 ppm or 40 ppm. So 20 ppm of NAA is recommended for controlling fruit drop in sapota. Which one of the following is the king of fruit? Mango. Whereas the queen is mangosteen. 36. Match the following. White flesh variety Lucknow 49. Red flesh variety Lalit. Pruning is done in September to October. Harvesting is done in February to January. These are varieties of it is done. This match is for guava fruit. Which nutrient deficiency is causing fruit cracking in guava? Boron. Whereas magnesium causes whiptile in cauliflower. Origin of jack is India. Which one of the following variety belongs to jack? PLR1. Whereas BSR1, we have seen it is from amla and as well as turmeric 1 and 2. BSR1 and BSR2 are turmeric varieties. What is the yield of jack? 10 to 20 tonnes per hectare, 15 to 25 tonnes per hectare, 50 to 60 or 30 to 40 tonnes per hectare. The yield of jack is 30 to 40 tonnes per hectare. Match the following. Pomegranate. So Ganesh is a variety from pomegranate. Ber Umran. Anona Bala Nagar. Amla BSR1. So the correct answer is option D. What is the spacing for pineapple? 90 into 60 into 30 centimeter is the spacing for pineapple. What is the major pest in pomegranate? Stem borer, fruit borer, aphids or mealybug? So fruit borer is the major pest in pomegranate. Consider the statement and choose the correct answer. NEA 20 ppm plus 2% of urea at 50 ml per plant for flower induction, or for NEA 20 ppm plus 1% of urea at 50 ml per plant for flower induction, NEA 10 ppm plus 2% of urea at 50 ml per plant for flower induction. Which one is the correct? Option D. Third one is the alone is correct. Harvesting time of custard apple is August to October. How to control the rust disease of amla? By spraying 0.2% of mancozeb. What is the botanical name of apple? Malus pumila or else Malus domestica. Whereas Prunus persica is a scientific name of peach. Prunus domestica is a scientific name of plum. Prunus persica is a scientific name of peach. Prunus americana is a scientific name of apricot. What is the rootstock for apple? M775, M776, 777 or M778? M778 is the rootstock for apple. M9 is a dwarfing rootstock. Meridan 793 is resistant to woolly aphids and as well as for collar rot. What is the ideal season for planting of pear? June to December. Woolly aphid infestation occurs in pear, plum, apple or peach. So woolly aphid infestation occurs in apple. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to receive the upcoming videos. Thank you.